Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Renko chart in TradingView for free. This method is completely legal, with no tricks or cheats involved. Stay tuned as I walk you through the step-by-step process to access this feature without any paid subscription. For those who are unfamiliar with the Renko chart, let me explain. This is the Renko chart, a special type of chart used for technical analysis. Unlike traditional candlestick charts, Renko charts focus on price movement rather than time intervals, making them great for spotting trends and reducing market noise. However, if you want to use Renko charts on smaller time frames like 5 minutes, TradingView requires you to purchase a subscription. But don't worry, I'll show you how to access it for free using a completely legal method. First, open Google and search for GoCharting. Click on the official GoCharting website and create a free account by signing up with your name, email, and password. Once your account is ready, go to the Product section and click on Chart. Now, you can freely use the Renko chart on different time frames without needing a paid subscription. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this. Stay tuned for more content.